The Blink Video Doorbell is inexpensive, but a video doorbell needs to perform its basic tasks well in order for you to find worth in it. As I've compared many video doorbells from many companies, I'm going to tell you whether or not I think this one is worth it. Number one, the Blink Video Doorbell is very easy to install and to use. I say that because it's a couple of screws to get it mounted on your home, and it's also just a couple of regular batteries that power this. That is, if you don't want to wire it into your home. It can, of course, be wired into your existing chime, and that's very easy. The app is also incredibly easy, and there aren't a lot of confusing settings that will have you sitting there tweaking those. Number two, it works really well with Amazon's voice assistant. So if you have Echoes or Echo Shows in your home, you can use those as doorbell chimes. You can get the feed up on those devices as well as on Fire TVs. And you can communicate with people on the other side of the doorbell too, so you don't necessarily have to get up when the doorbell rings. Number three, the overall experience with the footage and the audio. It's not top of the line, and you shouldn't expect that. That's why this is a budget video doorbell, but it's what most people need from one. They need to be able to communicate with people, and I've had pretty good conversations with everyone on the other side of that door. I think the one recommendation I'll make to you is that everyone who buys this should buy a sync module 2 with it. This can then store all of the recordings you get from your video doorbell and other Blink cameras, and I think that's the most important thing that I tell you. Other than that, this is a great budget video doorbell and a great option for most households.